HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so we got us a new Honda. So it's a 98 CR-V. It's got the B20 B4 in it. So it's a non-VTEC overhead cam. However, this one is turboed. See the nice intercooler in there. Pretty neat little car here. It's not perfect by any means. So this car, we never did get around to filming it, but Greg built this thing, and essentially we went back and watched videos of the other Honda builds that we did and what parts we needed to get, and kind of followed the same roadmap that I took on building the other ones. It's just a cheap turbo Honda, and this one's been running almost 2 years now, turboed, and it does pretty good. So it was lowered originally. You can see here Greg's bike hauling on the back of it. So I've got those coilovers and I've got some tires. I'm probably going to end up lowering it back down. Greg used it as a hunting vehicle and essentially as a four-wheeler. So the fender was black when he got it, and he sprayed it, and it's a little greener, but it's got some scratches and stuff on it. So we're gonna work on the outside. We've been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning the inside today, and it looks much better. So, but this was his critter recovery vehicle there with the turbo turtle. So, but he put a hitch on it and some other stuff, and like I said, we're gonna lower it back down. This thing does awesome. Being all-wheel drive, it's got the real-time all-wheel drive, and being turboed and lowered down on those other wheels, like this thing just feels awesome. He did do the True Heart coilovers on here. Sorry, not coilovers, but A-arms, the upper control arms. So those are on there. Adjustable camber arms at the top, on the rears. And then here's the inside now. Again, like it was super dirty. You can see right here. That's what it looked like before. There's the old shifter that was in there. So this is what we got now. So got the new shifter in there. Got a ball from Caleb. Appreciate that. We got it all cleaned up though. And it looks so much better in here than it did. It was pretty dirty. He used this thing like a pickup truck, and the last thing he did was haul hay in it. So there was hay everywhere in here. But anyways, did the same dash I did, same gauges. So a lot of the same parts all the way around. So we got a few things that we're gonna be doing to it, and fixing some things up, cleaning some more stuff up. Like I said, lowering it back down. We're probably gonna try to clean up the outside and buff the paint as much as we can, try to get off some of the scratches and stuff, and try to get that as clean as we can. But there's the engine here. And it looked really good under here when it was first done. It's been done for, like I said, a couple years now. But got some really good stuff on here. And a smaller radiator, turbo there. He actually did save power steering and AC on here. The AC does not currently work. One of the lines got messed up, so we gotta get that fixed. But this thing will rip. I mean, it will straight rip. It does pretty dang good for what it is. So, but anyways, that's it. Wanted to give y'all a little view of it here. Had it for a couple weeks now and hadn't got it cleaned up and filmed or anything yet. So it's a pretty neat little car though. Man, this thing looks so much better in here. They make such awesome noises too. If you hear that turbo flutter.
time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.